Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall.
Blessed to each and everyone. Dancehall Skilla here again. Manners and respect. I hope that everyone are right. You see? Yeah, my people. So first up, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a certain number of persons inside of a bus. And based on some words that have been said in the video, I got the understanding that there was some type of disagreement or a dispute between at least two persons. So more I listen to some words that have been said in the video and tell me what I think about the dispute or the disagreement between those persons. You can tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes down to the dispute or disagreement. And please bear in mind that in the video you can hear a person saying some disrespectful words towards at least one person. So viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me, people.
Go on,
go tell the police I don't want to. So go on, man. Go on, go tell the police I don't want to. I make me this here in front of them too. Yeah, woman, you. Pass the drive, bus and make him man go suck him, woman, yeah, man.
Who are you, John?
Yeah, woman, you. Yeah, woman, you.
Yo, see money, man, yo.
Hey, the man say about $500, $150.
Yo, see money, man, yo.
Yo, make him call the police. Come in, go what?
Yeah, your money, make your bus go away, man. I have the money in your hand, man.
Them have the money, I don't know how sleep in here, come and go and behave like, hey, I come. Somebody make me have nothing, man.
Well, that's I come.
You're going to look at this one, come this, man. You're woman, you. If I look at some of the thumping them in front of the police, I don't me I tell you. I bet you don't put.
Okay, so you can hear persons using Jamaican accent to talk in the video with people. See, that really and truly, some of the times we have a thing still, you know, we might not know what happened before and after the video was recorded. You see it? But you tell me what you think, the people. Alright? Who you think right and who you think wrong, based on words that have been said in the video. Alright, my people, so I want to talk about an incident that happened in United States of America, where it is said that a man who was on a train had been shot and injured by a person who was also on the same train. It is said that the man who did not have any gun on him was able to shot and injure the man with the same gun that man went for. Well, let me give you information about the situation. And I'm going to present pieces of a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, that shows some things that happened on that train or on that day of the incident. While I'm presenting those pieces of videos to you, that is from one video, I'll be somewhat giving you information or talking about situation, somewhat breaking it down. See? So from right here on in this video, this is a warning. That's why the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. So I got the understanding that the person who had been shot and injured was a passenger on a train, viewers and subscribers, and that person at one point was talking loud or aggressive to a man who was also a passenger on a train within the United States of America. So basically, the person who had been shot and injured was involved in a dispute with another person on the train, and the dispute escalated to a point where the man who had been shot and injured got into a fight with a man who was also on the same train. Look at this piece of the video.
I'll beat you up. You ain't gonna beat up cops. You think you people's gonna beat up cops? I'll beat you up. I'll beat you up, homie. Gangsta, I'll beat you up. Such a average guy. Such a average guy. Beat up me. Beat up me. Beat up me. Beat up me. I love my facts. That's it. I love my facts. Breaks. I love my facts. Do something about it. You like that? Go on, man. Don't let your girl. I'm gonna beat you up. Act like you want to beat you up.
Now, my people, if you look at the video, you can see that there was someone behaving aggressive towards someone, viewers and subscribers. And let me tell you something. That dispute somewhat reached to a point where other persons who was close to those persons started to move away from that part of the train where they were at. See? Look.
I'm gonna beat you up. I'm gonna beat you up. I'm gonna beat you up. Only you. Over me. Just you. You're a man. I'm gonna beat you up. Yes. I'm gonna break you up. Break you up. On my life. On my mom. I'm gonna break you up. On my mom. I'm gonna break you up. Wait. I'm waiting for you to get caught.
So at that point, it's like there was persons who just basically just decided to move away from it. Okay. Now basically what I saw right there now, my people, is where the other person got up. And it seems as if that person decided to get into a fight with the other person who was behaving certain ways, viewers and subscribers. So those two persons started to fight with each other, viewers and subscribers. The fight between those two persons was really and truly horrible. And I will not present the part of the video that shows the fight, but I got the understanding that during the fight between those two persons, or during the struggle between those two persons, a female who was also on the train stabbed one of those two persons who was involved in the fight with an object. And then at some point, someone who was also on the train intervened and tried to de-escalate the fight between those two persons. Yeah, so I got the understanding that someone on the train tried to de-escalate the situation. However, in my point of view, it seems as if the situation escalated to a point where it got worse. The video shows blood on clothes that the person who had been stabbed was wearing. And you can also hear the person asking a certain question more than one time. That's in my point of view. Look and listen.
Have a seat. Have a seat.
This is not it. Come on, let's do
Don't you stab me? I'm locking you up. I'm locking you up when you get off. I got you. I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding. You stab me. I got you.
This is true, but that's...
You get locked up.
I ain't doing nothing.
You get locked up.
I ain't doing nothing.
Now, the female who stabbed the person with the object is the female who you can see somewhat standing behind someone in that video. See? Now my people, brace yourself because the situation somewhat get even more worse at this point, my people. Look and listen.
Now, you interfere with a man's situation. You don't, it don't bleed you. I got you. You stabbed me, right? You stabbed me, right? You stabbed me.
So it's at this point now the person reach for what is said to be a gun. And once the person hold that gun and a certain thing happen, that's when other passengers or some passengers on the train started to panic and decided that they want to get off the train, viewers, subscribers. And believe me, it's like persons was rushing and trying in every way to get off that train, because guess what? It is said that the person had a gun. In the video, you can also hear explosions, viewers, subscribers, and based on information that I got, it is said that the same person who went for the gun in a type of clothes had been shot and injured by the same gun by someone who was on the same train that he was on. It is said that the man who did not have any gun on him was able to shot and injure the man with the same gun that that man went for. More information that I got is that at some point the person who had been shot and injured had been taken to hospital, and that the person had been admitted in hospital in critical but stable condition. That's the information that I got yesterday. See, now I also got information yesterday that the person who shot and injured the person with the gun might not face criminal charges because evidence or certain things suggest that the person acted out of self-defense. But who knows? That's the information that I got yesterday. And today is the 16th of March, the year 2024. So who knows what might happen or what might change after today. But information that I got yesterday is that the person was not facing any charges because evidence suggests and certain things that happened suggest that the person acted out of self-defense. That's the information that I got. All right, so I also got information yesterday that police wanted to question the female who was somewhat involved in the situation, but I didn't get any confirmed information as to what exactly happened when it comes on to the female and the situation pertaining to police. So that's the understanding that I got. I'm just letting you know, my people, and I think here's where I'm going to leave it. Manners and respect to each and every one though, and stay safe, walk good. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla.